welcome back to another video. Tonight we are going to be perfecting the rolling shot, and as such turning this car into the ultimate rolling camera rig. The idea is tonight to take a whole bunch of videos and photos from the back of this car of another car whilst driving, and to achieve this I'm teaming up with a guy called Nick. You can see his Instagram down here. He's going to be doing photos tonight and I'm going to be doing videos, and tonight what I'm most excited about is testing out the 100 frames per second feature of the FX30. So to achieve some really unique shots tonight, I've got the idea of mounting the 360 camera to the bottom of this. One thing that we need to consider is actually being safe about this, because this is not exactly legal, but we also don't want to be driving around with this sort of flapping around, you know. So I've devised a genius plan. When it's time to shoot the vehicle coming along, we'll just pop this open, film out the back. I can get the gimbal all the way down here. We can hang on to these handles up here for dear life, I suppose. Once we're done, we can close this up and then scramble back into the back here, sit in this seat, put our seatbelts back on, and still be safe whilst performing this exercise. So I've been thinking about this shoot for the last few days, and in preparation for that, I have actually put this UHF that used to be on my old 4Runner onto this truck here, and I've hardwired that to this switch here. So switch it on. The driver will use the UHF to communicate with the car behind us, so that we can line up these shots as perfectly as we can. But yeah, I hope you're excited. I know I'm excited. I'm just waiting for Nick to arrive. I'm going to continue to get the rest of the rig sorted out, so that we can perform this exercise as best as we can. So stay tuned for the results and a bit of behind the scenes stuff as well. So if you liked this video and you like the results we got, feel free to follow me at Nathaniel's Life. And if you would like to visit my professional business page, check out mahimedia.au on Facebook and Instagram. Otherwise, check out my website at www.mahimedia.au for all things weddings, real estate, cars, cameras, drone stuff, whatever. There's a lot. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to, like it if you liked it, and don't forget to check out Nick's media as well, because he took some really, really awesome photos. He hasn't even taken them yet, but I already know he's going to do a really good job. So until next time, I'm Nathaniel. Take care.